What's up, Bring a Muscle Car people?
This is Bring a Muscle Cars.
And I'm Avery, and I'm Francis. And today, Jared
is gonna finally install his
oil cooler.
All right, guys, as Francis and Avery said, we're finally going to finish the oil cooler install. We tried to install it a while ago, ran into a lot of issues, and just gave up on it. This is the adapter plate that you may have seen before. We had to bash the header. That was enough to get clearance for the actual plate. We actually had to end up unbolting the header to my welded exhaust just to pull it enough to get this bolt threaded in. We had this all bolted in, ready to go. Found out the lines in the car are 1/2 inch. These are actually a 5/8. It's actually a 10 AN fitting, but it's about a 5/8 hose. So now we have two 5/8 hose. We have to slide on here, and then we have to install 5/8 to 1/2 inch hose barb adapters to get them to fit. All right, guys, we're under the car on GM LS engines, at least mine with the bottom LS2. You've got this little plate on the side of the block. You unbolt it, and that's where the oil cooler adapter goes. Alright guys, this is the plate. These are the screws that go in. They're the little Allen head keys. So far, this is the only one that's easy to go in. Make sure you put the gasket in behind it. We're gonna start with the further one back. Get that threaded in because that's easier with the header in the way. I can actually reach it. Once the plate was screwed in, we needed to bolt the manifold back on and test start the car to make sure it wasn't leaking. Alright guys, we've got the cooler on the G8 installed. We had to jump start it with the Fiesta, which is the only running car right now, using 2 sets of jumper cables. Do not try this at home. To the battery in the back of the G8. We started it. I don't know why Matt didn't film this. I didn't think that the oil cooler lines would work because it's supposed to have a thermostat, but they did, and they shot oil everywhere. But it did not leak from up there where it's attached to the block. It shot clean out the tubes. We just need 2 adapters and we should be good. All right guys, that was the oil cooler install video. It's finally 90% done. All we have to do is get some 5/8 to 1/2 inch hose bar reducers. We'll clamp them on and it should be good to go. It's not leaking from where it's bolted to the block, so that's what's important.
That was my big worry.
Yeah, that was what I was worried about because it's only got 2 little Allen bolts. It's not a great design, and the header's only about that far away from, how far? About that far away from the plate. We'll see how it goes. It should cool though. We'll see how.
Can you show me how far are you?
No. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're interested in some Bring It Muscle Car sweatshirts, let us know, message us, like us on Facebook, find us there, or Instagram. We can make you any color you want, pretty much any size you want. And if you got a fast car, you better bring it. Wait.